Hello everyone, welcome to Ecoholics. In our previous video, we have discussed Rule 1 of differentiation and we have also seen few examples. In this video, we'll be studying Rule 2 of differentiation. So, let's get started. Rule 2 of differentiation. It is a constant function rule. Now, how do we represent a constant function? So, a constant function is represented as y is equal to f of x is equal to c. Now, what is a constant? A constant can be any number, be it 1, 2, 3, so on. Now, in that, we have first derivative of a constant. So, the rule for this is when y is equal to f of x is equal to c, then differentiation of a constant term is always 0. So, a derivative of a constant term is 0. So, this becomes a rule 2 and this is our first condition. Now, let's look at another condition. Now, in the second condition, we have derivative of a product. Product of a constant term and a function. Now, how are we going to represent this function? So, y is equal to f of x, that is equal to a x raised to n, where a is a constant term. So, a is a constant term. Now, let's look at differentiation of this function. So, dy by dx is equal to a. Now, since it is a constant function, we are not going to differentiate it. So, we have a differentiation of x raised to n. This looks familiar, isn't it? So, in our previous video, we have seen that differentiation of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. So, in this case, our derivative becomes equal to a nx raised to n minus 1. So, this becomes a differentiation, or this is a derivative when we have a product of constant and a function. Now, let's look at few examples. So, first, we have y is equal to 10 x raised to 12. In this case, our constant term is 10 and our function is x raised to 12. Now, we are going to differentiate this. So, we have dy by dx is equal to what? Now, in our previous slide, we have seen that when y is equal to a x raised to n, then differentiation in this case is equal to a n x raised to n minus 1. Using this formula, we are going to find this term. Now, dy by dx is equal to a, and a in this case is 10. Now, n in this case is 12. So, I'll write this. N is equal to 12. Right. Now, n is 12 multiplied by 12 x raised to, so n minus 1. So, that is 12 minus 1. So, now our dy by dx is equal to 10 into 12, that is 120 x raised to 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. So, this is our derivative. This becomes a final answer. Now, let's look at one more example. Now, in this case, y is equal to 9x raised to minus 4. What do we see is a constant term in this case is 9. And we have our function as x raised to minus 4. Right. Now, using the same formula, so using the same formula of derivative, using this formula, we are going to solve this. So, dy by dx is equal to, now, in this case, a constant term is 9. So, 9 multiplied by, now n. So, n in this case is minus 4. So, n is minus 4. So, we have minus 4 x raised to n minus 1. So, this becomes minus 4 minus 1. So, dy by dx is equal to 9 4s are 36. So, minus 36 x raised to minus 5. So, this is our final answer. So, we have seen how simply we can use these rules. That's it for this video. In our next video, we'll be seeing Rule 3 of differentiation and we'll also be seeing other numericals. So, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.